Hey there, do you want to learn all about left, right, and mid function in Microsoft Excel? That too with an example? If yes, then this video is absolutely for you. Do watch it without the fail. In this video, I'm going to explain the easy steps to build the left function, right function, and mid function in Microsoft Excel. I will take you through complete steps in constructing these functions from scratch. And all this has been done using a very simple data which will be very easy to recreate and understand. You can easily get this exercise file downloaded in your system using the link provided in the description of this video. So go ahead, watch this complete video, practice this concept in the exercise file provided to you and become the master of it. Hello everyone, welcome back to this Microsoft Excel tutorial journey with me on my Knowledge Factor YouTube channel. This is session number 127 and we are learning the text-based functions in Microsoft Excel. So let's take a look at three very simple functions, very similar functions but very powerful functions. These deals with text-based operations. So take a look at the example that I have here. I'm back inside the exercise file and this is called the left, right and mid function worksheet. And the example that I have set up here, we have got a simple little table on the left hand side which is having the SKU table, product name and retail price. And then on the right hand side we have got the breakdown of the SKU number. The first three characters of the SKU represent the supplier ID, the middle three represent the part number and the last two represent the product code. Okay, now I could do this manually and I'm sure some of us have done this before. You have ever need to break up a value, some text value into separate pieces. You know what I think about this? I think about the VIN number or my car, right? The vehicle identification number. But it tells me different things about the car. It tells me about the engine, the transmission, and so on, right? All this information can be brought together into a single value. But occasionally, I want to break it up into its individual pieces. So I could do things like sort on it or filter on it or report of this data, perhaps group on it within a pivot table or whatever, right? But I need to build to break this data up into its individual pieces before I can really work with it independently. So here three steps, left, right and mid, three very powerful functions but very simple functions that we can use inside of Excel to help us separate these values. Now really, as you probably tell by their names, they are positional functions, right? I need to find data that's on the left hand side of the cell. I need to find the data that's on the right hand side of the cell. I need to find data somewhere in the middle of the cell. Well, no problem. We have got these three very similar functions to do this for us. Take a look. So I'll do supplier ID first. Okay, so let me go on to E4. I'll go up to my formula tab. I'm going to go to the text and there's a whole bunch of text based functions and I'm going to find left. Alright, so right function and the left function are almost identical. The only difference is the position, whether the data you are looking for is on the left hand side of the cell or the right hand side of the cell. Other than that, they are exactly the same. So watch this. So first step is text. So it wants to know that where the text is at and where it have to look and fetch the data. So in my case, I'm inside of the number 4 row. So I'm going to grab the second SKU. So here is at cell A4, right? And here's my text. So now numchars, right? This is the number of characters that I want to get from the cell on the left hand side. And I want to get 3, right? A, C and M. So just 3. That's it. Super simple, right? So where's the text at and how many characters do you want on the left? So I'll just hit OK and I'm done. ACM. Alright, so I'll go for the another one here and that's the product code. Well, where is the product code at? Is it on the left hand side of the cell? I'm looking to A4 here. Is it on the middle or is it on the right? So yeah, it's on the right, right? So once again, I'm inside of G4, formulas, text, and find the right. Look at that, exact same arguments. First step, where is the text that's in A4 and how many characters do I want this time from the right hand side? So I want 1, 2, WW, right? So I'll just put here 2 and that's it. It's extracting the data out positionally, WW, right? It's on the left, it's on the right. Well, how many characters do you want from left or the right? All right, here's where it's a little bit trickier now. Uh, Not so much, but little bit trickier. It's still really simple, but now we need to get something from the middle. I need to get the middle 3 characters from the SKU. So we got ACM here, we got WW here, and the middle part 3 characters 111. I want to see that in the part column. Okay, so well, here I am inside of F4. I'll go again to the formula, to the text, and this time I'll find the mid. Alright, now this one is a little bit different. First step, this is looking for your text. Well, my text is inside of A4. I'll just click A4 here. Alright, now the mid function, we need to find it from some place in the middle, right? Well, the mid function starts on the left. So at the first it needs to know how many characters do you want me to move from left so that I get some place in the middle. So well, for us we are going to go ACM, and that's 3, right? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So I am in it and tell it like hey, let's go for the 4 characters. So the 4th character starts with 1 and that's what I wanted from. So what do you think? Sounds right? Right? Let's take a look. So down here at the bottom we got what the start number is the position of the first character you want to extract. The first character in the text is 1. So here in ACM11WWW, A is our first character. So A is 1. What we are going to tell it is the first character, and that we want to extract, which is the 4th character. Okay, and then how many characters do we want? Well, I want to get the middle 3, so I'm gonna type here 3. I'll hit OK. Alright, so ACM is the supplier, 111 is the part number, and WW is the product code. Really simple, right? Very efficient function, very powerful function. If you have ever done this manually, retyping values based on something else, oh, that's what a task, right? What a headache. Get Excel to do it for you instead. So try this out. Get comfortable working with left function, right function, and mid function, and use these functions in your day-to-day work on Microsoft Excel. Alright, so that's what I had for today. That's what I wanted to share with you. Hope you got this completely. Just I would request you to get downloaded the exercise file and practice it, and in that way you are learning something like this. You are creating your formulas that are much more dynamic, and it's going to do much more work for you. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this tutorial, and as I always say, if you really like this video and enjoying this journey, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel, and also press the bell icon to get the latest content update on this channel. Alright, then we'll meet up in the next session. In case you have any questions, any concerns, then do let me know in the comment section of this video. So see you in the next session. Till then, stay safe, have a great life, and take very good care of yourself.